Now there is going to be Mangalashtaka. Mangalashtaka, the groom and the bride stand with garlands. A curtain is held between the bride and groom. Everyone offers the blessings to the couple with petals as each stanza ends with Kuryat Sada Mangalam. And that means wishing nicety forever. At the end, the bride and groom exchange garlands when the curtain is removed, bringing them together. The groom's maternal uncle and two uncles stand next to them. Kaya vinati mahesha tanaya Gauri sutta moraya He ava hanarenuke tuda aso Ashirvacha dyavaya Yave kuladevata sakalahi Kuryat sada mangalam Shiva mangala savadhan Gotre binna paraspara hunitashi Idin majansi kure Jive ekati hoti varavadu Ajanmaja chamue Live Anjali labati navadude Mata pita prema Nanda saukhya bhare shubhashishituma Kuryat sada mangalam Shiva mangala savadhan Varpahar varda uchcha shikshita bagha Vidibhushita shobhato Arbana Kalyatriki Kushalato Nana Vishay Visharada Petanya Karmat Ase Kushalato Kembri Jalavasato Ashirvad Deti Arva Apta Mitrate Kuryat Sada Mangalam Shiva Mangala Savadhan Nare Vadu Dyuka Padavidhar Ase Paryavaran Avade Mata Su Pita Po New York Stita Kare Ravin Shama Sare Vase Strivarga Vikas Samaj Kranti Pari Parakasha Kare Tumcha Samartha Sayas Arzavakari Kuryat Sada Mangalam Shiva Mangala Savadhan Pita Vireka Kupartino Sthayika Very Lord Lekhaka Mata Anjali Doctor Yashaswini Gruhastha Jeevani Nipuni Vandu Nakul Doctor Hushar Ase Preme Pati Shivase Sagadeva Kutumba Sarva Samartha Asati Kuryat Sada Mangalam Shiva Mangala Savadhan Tadeva Lagnam Sudinam Tadeva Tarabalam Chandrabalam Tadeva Vidyabalam Daivabalam Tadeva Lakshmi Pate Tengrigam Smarami Now we have to explain that.